Where does the true potential of shavers lie? In our quest for the perfect shave, we reimagined every aspect to combine cutting-edge technology with the feel and performance of a manual razor. This is the Laifen T1 Pro electric shaver. The shaver head is tilted forward by 15 degrees, so it can easily and precisely catch every hair. The shaver's seamless unibody is CNC machined from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and features a pressure-sensitive button that responds instantly to your touch. To fit the shaving performance we envisioned into a slim body, we developed our very own high-power linear motor. Featuring Laifen's latest motor, durable all-metal construction, and a vibration damper for a smoother shaving experience. The T1 Pro also intelligently adapts to your beard density for precise, tug-free shaving. The shaver head has also been redesigned with our ArcBlade structure, increasing the effective shaving area. With smoothed holes and sharper inner blades, the .055mm foil delivers a clean, skin-friendly shave that cuts down to the roots. The trimmer head and trimmer guards seamlessly fuse styling and trimming. A single charge provides up to 120 minutes of use, and it's suitable for both wet and dry shaving. Slim, streamlined, and stylish. This is the Laifen T1 Pro electric shaver.